Frazee Auction and Real Estate presents. From the Tony Cetta estate of Keokuk, Iowa, two legendary 1967 Chevy Novas. Here's a 1967 Chevy Nova SS Tribute, a true factory four-speed car. Powered by the legendary L79 327 with double hump heads and hooker headers. Inside, it's all muscle, black bucket seats and a Muncie 4-speed. Restored, clean, and collector ready. This Chevy Nova sells at online-only auction ending Wednesday, October 15th at 1 p.m. CST. Auction conducted by Frazee Auction and Real Estate. Visit frazeeauction.com to register and bid. A 1967 Chevy Nova Pro Street Tribute, packing a 700 horsepower big block. Built by Skip White in Tennessee with dart heads and pro-built components. Rotisserie restored with mini tubs, coilovers, and rack-and-pinion steering. Custom interior, solid body, and less than 100 miles since the build. Built to show and built to go, this Pro Street Nova sells at online-only auction ending Wednesday, October 15th at 1 p.m. CST. Auction conducted by Frazee Auction and Real Estate. Don't miss it. Visit frazeeauction.com to register and bid.